Welcome to Worry-Free Web Design and SEO. We create worry-free web solutions. So today we're going to talk about the appearance menu. This is going to be a high overview of the appearance menu because there is a lot of things to go through, and I will go ahead and break down each section in a future video so that there's more detail. But this is just going to be kind of a high overview. So from your dashboard, go ahead and go to Appearance, and you'll see that you have Themes, Customize, Widgets, Menu, Header, and Editor. We're going to go ahead and click on Themes. Now, themes are what give your website the structure and look that you want it to have. There are thousands of different themes out there that you can use. There are a lot of them that are free, some of them that are good, some of them that are bad. There are a lot of premium themes out there that give you advanced functions and help you to be able to edit your site the way you want it to look. So today we're going to just be using the default themes that come with WordPress, but I'll also show you how you can install a different theme. So if you wanted to get a different theme, you can go into Add New, find a theme that looks good to you. We'll go ahead and pick this one. Next, you can hover over it and you can go through details and preview. You can install or you can preview. We'll go ahead and hit preview. And this just gives you a little idea of what your site would look like. If you wanted to install, you could just go ahead and hit install here, or you can go back to the main page and hit install. Once it's installed, we're going to go back to themes, and you'll see your new theme right here. Now, it's not in the first position because it's not active. You can go ahead and make that theme active, or you can hit a live preview. Live preview just gives you an idea of what it's going to look like without actually making the change. So now we can see that that theme has changed the way our website looks. If you like how it looks, you can hit activate and publish. Now, not all themes are compatible. So if you make content or put content up on one theme and then you change themes, it's not going to automatically be perfect looking on another theme. So you'll want to go back in and take a look at everything and make sure that it still looks good to you. So let's say that we didn't like what that looked like and we wanted to go back to our previous theme or a different theme. All you have to do is click on your theme, hit activate, and we are now back to the old theme and looking the same way as we did before. And if you wanted to get rid of that theme, say that we do not like this theme and we want to go ahead and get rid of it, just select it, hit delete, OK, and it's gone. Next, we're going to have Customize. So Customize just allows you to make changes to that theme and to your website. So in the visual editor here, you can see all of the areas that are customizable indicated by a blue circle with a pencil in it. And you can click on that pencil and it will open up the menu that is associated with that area. And then you can go in, you can make changes to that area directly. Or from the left hand side, you can go into any of the menu items that you want to for that page. Now, I am not going to go into all the different options inside of the Customize menu. We'll go ahead and save that for a more detailed video. We're going to go ahead and exit. Next, we have our widgets. So your theme determines where your widgets are going to be placed and how many you have. So right now we have a blog sidebar, a footer one, and a footer two. And if you drop down the little arrow, you'll see what is inside of those. Right now we have nothing in our footers, but we have a search, recent posts, recent comments, archives, category, and meta inside of our blog sidebar. Let's say that we don't want all that in there and we want to get rid of the meta. Click on the little drop down and go to delete, and it's gone. But what if you want to add something new? So WordPress has some default widgets that are already created that you can add in there. So we can go ahead and select text and just drag and drop it over. And we're just going to give it a title and hit save. So that's done. We'll go ahead and collapse that. And now you can see that we have a new item in our sidebar widget. If you want to move the order, you just drag and drop. Very simple. Next, we're going to take a look at menus. This is where you're going to create your menu for the top of your page, bottom of your page, or anywhere else you want to put a menu option. So by default, you have no menu to begin with. So we're going to go ahead and go to create a new menu. We're going to give it a name. And we're going to hit create menu. Now right now we only have 2 pages. So let's say that I want both of those pages to go into my menu. Select them, hit add to menu, and now we have our pages added over here to our menu structure. The top menu item is going to be the one on the left and your main link. So let's say that you want sample pages to be the main link. Go ahead and drag it up. Now your menu settings say where you want it to be displayed at. We want this to be our top menu. We do not want to automatically add new pages to this menu. Go ahead and hit save. And let's go ahead and take a look at our menu. I'm going to go and visit the site. And you'll see right down here we have sample page and about us in our menu. If you want to delete a menu item, just expand it out, hit remove. You can also change the name of your menu item. Just make sure that you hit save menu once you're done. We also have manage locations. It's where you can assign a menu to the top menu or the social links menu in this case. It is basically the same thing you can do as the display location down here. Now remember that these are going to be different based on whichever theme you're using. So this is just the default WordPress theme. So it may be different on your theme. Next, we're going to take a look at header. This is really just taking you back to the customize menu, but it's taking you directly to the header section. And finally, we have editor. So unless you've had training or have read up a lot on CSS and PHP, you really don't want to be in here. So this is where you're going to make customized changes to your PHP files, your CSS files. Any changes you make in here could affect your entire website and it could stop it from working at all. So whenever you make changes in here, make sure you save the information first or make a backup of your website and then make changes, test it, and just be very cautious. And that is it for the appearance menu. Thank you for watching, and please like us on Facebook at Worry Free Web Design and SEO. Thank you.